Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. Jobs to be done theory helps you understand when, how, and why customers actually decide to adopt new solutions instead of guessing. Customer frustrations create urgency that triggers solution-seeking behavior. Use the Jobs to be done template to capture 3 critical stages of customer decision-making. Start with demand creation. Map customer goals and the constraints blocking progress. Identify catalysts like events, frustrations, or realizations that create urgency to find new solutions. These moments reveal when customers become ready to hire something new. Customers evaluate options that go beyond your product category. They might consider tools, training, consultants, or process changes to accomplish their job. Map what solutions customers hired, fired, and considered. Use green and red indicators to highlight factors that increased trust, demonstrated value, and helped customers imagine success. Understand what made your solution seem novel during their evaluation. Document how customers know they are making progress toward their goals. These progress signals show whether your solution delivers the job customers hired it to accomplish. Create simple job-to-be-done statements that express key benefits customers seek. Transform interview insights into customer stories that inspire product decisions and align teams around real user needs. Try the Jobs to be Done template today and discover the real reasons people choose your solutions over alternatives. Thanks for watching!